Horses out, we have a spin cycle, fast to begin, Danori inside, Angel Eunice moving up, perfect choice on the outside. Tiger is ready, comes next, Deputy Stravinsky, Find Happiness, and Hoy! Tama na, trails the field, spin cycle by Abralenka Nehapa. Perfect choice in second, Deputy Stravinsky alongside his Fine Happiness. Angel Eunice down on the inside, Tiger is ready, and Hoy tama na, they swing into the back. Spin cycle just in front by about 3 for Abralenka. Angel Eunice now moving up by the rail to take the lead. It's now Angel Eunice by about 3 for Abralenka. Spin cycle, draws back in second, perfect choice in third, Deputy Stravinsky. Tiger is ready, Find Happiness, and Hoy tama na. Angel Eunice by Abranek, and on the outside is perfect choice, fighting it out for the lead. Racing in third, Tiger is ready, Find Happiness. And it's still Angel Eunice back to a length lead. Perfect choice remains in second, Tiger is ready alongside third, Find Happiness. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still Angel Eunice, perfect choice, Tiger is ready, Find Happiness down on the inside. But it's still Angel Eunice, perfect choice, Tiger is ready, Find Happiness. Last 75 meters, and it's still Angel Eunice, followed by Find Happiness, and finally Angel Eunice, Find Happiness, then comes Tiger is ready.